So my beautiful people, so I have a Chrysler Town & Country, and my check engine light keeps coming on, and the number on the code that keeps coming on there is P0128. P0128. When I look at the code, it says coolant thermostat below threshold. So that means that this bad boy right here is a coolant thermostat that I need to replace. So I went to my local neighborhood and I got me a thermostat. So I'm about to replace this bad boy because as you can see, there's all that splatter down there. I don't know how that happened, but make it do what it do. So here's our new replacement that we're gonna try to replace it with. Now, the only tools I'm gonna need is my 10 millimeter. So they say that, in order to get there, depending on how big or small your hands are, you should be able to fit down there. I think my hand's small enough so I can fit to get it down there, but you can also remove this part right here if you wanted to. However, I think what I'm gonna try to do is, I'm gonna try to loosen the thermostat, and then this right here, bring this out, up, and then when I do that, then I'm gonna replace it and put it back in instead of doing all that work. Okay, so I got a catch pan down here to catch the coolant that's gonna fall down there, and then I got this board. Hopefully, not too much is gonna be on there. And that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I got my 10 milli. I got, my vice grips for the clamps. Okay, then also gonna have to refill the coolant when I'm done. So let's get it on and popping. Okay, we loosen the 10 milli at the bottom. so it is installed, the new thermostat. Put it back into place. Now we're gonna fill in. So I loosen this up so we can bleed it. So when we fill it up, we know how much is actually going in there. And we see that it is coming out, so we're gonna close this up and fill it all the way until we see some here at the top. Okay, so we've filled up the antifreeze up to the top. We'll put some in the reservoir to top it off. Now we're gonna try to see if we can rinse a little bit of this antifreeze off of this belt, timing belt. I wish I had a water hose, but it's cold out here, so put some water in a bucket and try to wash this down a little bit. Now we're about to try out this engine and see how it goes. Okay, check engine light off.